Welcome to the vlog. I got home from school, which was what you saw, me coming home from school on my bike in the rain. Yeah. This has been like the only day with full rain the entire day. Ooh, I don't like rain. I kinda like rain. I get more done, like homework and editing videos and stuff, because I don't want to go ride my bike and stuff. But, yeah. I don't know what this video is gonna be at all, but we will see. I know this vlog was really short, but I am gonna end it because I have to go to bed. I have a retreat tomorrow for grade 9, so see you tomorrow. Bye.